Hello students, welcome to another video of this channel. In this series, we will discuss some multiple choice questions of reasoning and assertion type. So let's begin. We will discuss only 3 questions. This is the outline of the video. Before going to the questions, let's first understand what is this assertion reasoning type of MCQ. In this type, we get an assertion sentence at first. It is a statement about any fact. In Assamese, we called it as ukti. Assertion enukwa eta sentence jot eta statement dia thake aru statement tu bhulu hobo pare shuddho hobo pare. Below the assertion, we have the reason sentence, which is there to justify the given assertion. In Assamese, we call it jukti, the logic. Reason বা যুক্তি বাক্যটোৱে ওপৰৰ assertion বা উক্তি বাক্যটো শুদ্ধকৈ এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছে নে নাই আমি হেতু চেক কৰিব লাগে. Now come to the options. At first, we have to check the validity or truthfulness of the assertion sentence and reason sentence. প্ৰথমে আমি এই উক্তি বাক্যটো আৰু যুক্তি বাক্যটো শুদ্ধ হয় নে নহয় আমি চাই লব লাগিব. তাৰ পিছত যদি প্ৰথমটো শুদ্ধ হয়, if the first sentence is correct but the second sentence is mistake, then we have to choose the option C, that is assertion is true but reason is false. কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চনত এনেকৈ দিয়া থাকে A is true but R is false. If the second sentence is correct, but first sentence is wrong, that is the assertion is wrong, then go for the option D, that is A is false, but R is true. If both the sentences are true, then there is another twist. যদি দুইটা বাক্য শুদ্ধ হয়, তেতিয়া আমি চাব লাগিব এই তলৰ ৰিজনটোৱে শুদ্ধকে ওপৰৰ assertionটো এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছে নে নাই কৰা. যদি কৰিছে ভালকৈ এক্সপ্লেইন শুদ্ধকে যদি বুজাইছে, then we have to choose the option A, that is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. If the explanation is wrong, যদি ভুল হৈছে assertionটো ৰিজনটোৱে ভালকে বুজাব পৰা নাই, তেতিয়া হলে কি কৰিব option B choose koribo lagibo ami. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Let's begin with the first question. Given assertion is a gas can easily be compressed by applying pressure. Ami pressure dile gas to sepibo paru. And the given reason is since the interparticle space between gases are very large, they can decrease by applying pressure. এতিয়া আমি প্ৰথম চাও এই reason sentence to শুদ্ধ হয় নহয়. প্ৰথমে individually তা চাও interparticular space between gas molecules এটো বেছি হয়, large হয়, শুদ্ধ হৈছে আৰু এই interparticular space to আমি pressure দিলে কমি যাব. That is correct. তো assertion to correct, reasoning to correct. Both the sentences are correct. So amar hoy A hobo nohoy B hobo. Ami iman khini leke buji palu. After that, we have to think that the reason tolor sentence to A assertion sentence to শুদ্ধকে বুজাইছে নে নাই বুজোৱা, মানে তাক explanation দিছে নে নাই দিয়া হেতু আমি চামাহা. তো যেতিয়া আমি তলত প্ৰেছাৰ দিম ওপৰত কম্প্ৰেছ হ'ব, তো এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যনটো শুদ্ধ হৈছে নাই? Yes, correct. The explanation is completely correct. শুদ্ধ হৈছে. সেই কাৰণে আমি কোনটো অপচন চুজ কৰিম? A অপচনটো. Then the A option is both assertion and reason are true. ওপৰৰ gas can be compressed by applying pressure. এই sentence to correct. Reason since the interparticular space between gases are very large, হেতু correct. হয় নাই? তো আৰু ইটোৱে হেতু শুদ্ধকে বুজাইছে. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Reason to assertion to শুদ্ধকে বুজাইছে. So we in this first question, the correct option is A. Let's go to the next question. The second question says, assertion, mushroom belongs to class fungi. Is it correct? Shuddha hoy ne ei ukti to? Yes, it is correct. Now the reason is, the cell wall is made up of chitin and cellulose. Is it correct? Yes, this is also a correct statement. Assertion or reasoning duita shuddha. Jukti ukti duita correct hoar pisot ami ki bhabibo lagibo? Yes, reason to assertion to shuddhake explain korise ne nai kora. Now think about it. Think about the properties of class fungi. Yes, the correct option is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Assertion. If the net external force on the body is 0, then its acceleration is 0. Koise jodi ami eta bostur uport kono jitu force diu aru total force to jodi 0 hoy mane to balance force hoy thake, then acceleration is 0. te tar acceleration to nabahibo nokomibo ekdom 0 hoy thakibo, eketa speed ote goi thakibo নহলে hi roi thakibo. Newton's first law. This is the assertion. Now come to the reason. Acceleration does not depend on force. Acceleration property to a force or upor depend nokore boli koise. Now you check it individually whether these sentences are correct or wrong. Yes, first assertion is correct, but reason is a mistake. Incorrect sentence because acceleration depends on force. Karan ami formula to janui. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Eto ami janu F equals to ma formula to nohoy janu. To yat ki hol assertion sentence to correct or reason sentence to wrong. So the correct option will be C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Here are the answers all together. তোমালোকে ঘৰত এনেকুৱা আৰু কোৱেশ্চন প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিবা আৰু মই চেষ্টা কৰিম আৰু যাতে কোৱেশ্চনছ এনেকৈ ইউটিউবত আপলোড কৰি থাকিব পাৰো। Thank you for watching.